Hi, welcome back to the Eat Well Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Athena. I'm a registered dietitian. So I'm going to add on to the ceviche video that I did probably a few months ago. I wanted to show how to make some chips to go with it. I do this a lot when I'm out of chips at home and I don't want to run to town and get them. But you can make chips with these small tortillas. You just cut them into fourths, and then you can spray them with a little Pam spray if you want to give them a little extra crisp. I don't typically do that, but you can. And then you can add salt if you want to. You could add a little lime juice or chili powder if you don't want to do the salt for some extra flavoring. And they actually turn out really good. So I'm going to show you how to bake those off in the oven.
Okay, first I'm cutting the tortillas into quarters, and then I'm going to lay them out onto a cookie sheet. I didn't prepare the cookie sheet, I didn't spray it or anything. They won't stick to it, so you don't need to do that. And then once I'm done here, I'm going to spray the pieces with some pan spray. This helps if you want to add any spices. This helps your spices and salt to stick to your tortilla pieces. So I'm adding some salt and a little chili powder. You could add some lime juice, you could add some smoked paprika, whatever spices sound good to you. And I'm baking them off for about 6 minutes. 6 to 8 minutes is good. You can flip them over here. You don't really need oven mitts or anything. If you're careful, you can just get away with that and then bake for another 6 minutes. I'm adding some spray again, a little salt, chili powder. The Pam spray usually helps them crisp up a little faster, so bake more on the 6 minute side. But 6 to 8 minutes is a good baking time. Here are my finished chips with some of my homemade refried beans, which will be up on my YouTube channel soon. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching.